How protein supports muscle repair and growth. Think you're eating enough protein for muscle growth? You might be surprised. Most people aren't getting nearly enough to fully repair and grow their muscles after working out. You could be doing everything right in the gym, pushing yourself hard during every session, but if you're not getting the right amount of protein at the right times, your muscles might not be able to recover and grow like they should. So, if you're struggling to see those gains, or if your muscle growth seems to have plateaued, this video is for you. We're about to break down exactly how protein supports muscle repair and growth, why you need it, and how to make sure you're optimizing your protein intake. If you've ever spent hours lifting weights, running, or doing any form of intense exercise, you probably know that muscle repair is a crucial part of building strength and size. But here's the thing. Working out alone won't get you those gains. In fact, it's not even the most important part of muscle growth. To actually see results, your muscles need to recover properly. And that's where protein plays a vital role. Protein is one of the 3 essential macronutrients that our bodies need, the others being fats and carbohydrates. But out of those 3, protein is the one that directly supports muscle repair and growth. Protein is made up of amino acids, and these amino acids act as the building blocks that repair muscle fibers after they've been stressed during exercise. But here's something most people don't realize. Muscle repair isn't just a one-time thing. It's a continuous process, especially after an intense workout. When you lift, run, or train, you break down muscle fibers. Think of these fibers as a set of tiny ropes that become frayed when you pull on them. Protein is what helps repair those frayed strands and rebuild them stronger. Here's the issue most people face when it comes to protein. They either don't eat enough, or they don't understand the importance of timing. You might eat a big steak or drink a protein shake after a workout, but if you're not getting enough protein during the rest of the day, your body won't have the right amount to fuel muscle repair around the clock. And timing matters, too. Consuming protein right after a workout helps maximize muscle recovery, but if you skip out on protein throughout the day, you're still hindering your progress. It's easy to make the mistake of thinking a post-workout protein shake will fix everything. But here's the thing, protein isn't a magic fix. Your body needs a consistent supply of protein throughout the day, not just after your workout. The issue is, so many people underestimate how much protein they need, or they just don't realize how much of it is actually required to see significant results. In the next part of this video, we'll dive into exactly how protein helps with muscle repair and growth. But before we do that, let's talk about what happens when you don't get enough protein. So, what happens inside your body when you consume protein, and how does it help your muscles repair and grow? Every time you exercise, especially during activities like weight training, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. These aren't big tears that cause injury, but rather microscopic ones that are a natural part of the muscle building process. These tears need to be repaired in order for the muscle to grow back stronger. Protein is made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks your body uses to repair those tears. If you're getting enough high-quality protein, these amino acids will work their magic to rebuild the muscle fibers. The process of muscle repair is called muscle protein synthesis, MPS, and it's essential for growth. But not all proteins are equal. There are complete and incomplete proteins. Complete proteins contain all 9 essential amino acids, and these are the most effective for building muscle. Animal-based proteins, like chicken, beef, eggs, and fish, are great sources of complete protein. There are also plant-based sources like quinoa and soy that are complete proteins. On the flip side, incomplete proteins lack 1 or more essential amino acids. This doesn't mean they're useless, but they should be paired with other foods to form a complete protein. For example, beans and rice are an incomplete protein by themselves, but together, they provide all the essential amino acids your body needs. For muscle growth, the key amino acid you want to focus on is leucine. Leucine has been shown to stimulate muscle protein synthesis, and consuming enough of it is essential for muscle repair. If you're eating high-quality protein sources that contain leucine, your muscles will be better equipped to repair and grow. Here's the most important point to remember: timing. It's not just about how much protein you consume, it's about when you consume it. After a workout, your muscles are primed and ready to absorb nutrients. This time, which is referred to as the anabolic window, is the most crucial for maximizing muscle recovery. When you finish exercising, your muscles are in a state of repair. This is the window of opportunity when your body is most efficient at using protein to start rebuilding the muscle fibers. If you want to make the most of this moment, you need to consume protein within 30 minutes to 2 hours after working out. So, here's a quick recap of what we've covered. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Without enough protein, your muscles won't recover properly, and you won't see the gains you're working hard for. But it's not just about how much protein you eat. Timing is key. Eating protein after your workout, ideally within the anabolic window, is when your body is best able to repair muscle. And finally, make sure you're eating protein consistently throughout the day to keep your muscles in recovery mode. Now that we know how protein supports muscle repair and growth, let's talk about how to make sure you're getting enough protein in your diet. 1. How much protein do you really need? To maximize muscle growth, aim to consume about 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day. For example, if you weigh 70 kilograms, about 154 pounds, you should be aiming for between 112 to 154 grams of protein per day. This will give your muscles the fuel they need to recover and grow. 2. Protein sources. What's best for muscle growth? Animal-based protein, chicken, turkey, beef, fish, eggs, and dairy are all excellent sources of protein. Plant-based protein. If you prefer plant-based options, lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, tofu, and tempeh are great sources of protein. Protein powders. If you're struggling to get enough protein through food, consider adding protein powder to your routine. Whey protein is a fast-digesting option, but there are also plant-based protein powders for those who don't consume animal products. 3. Meal timing. Spread your protein intake to keep your muscles in a constant state of recovery. Try to spread your protein intake across the day. This helps maintain a steady flow of amino acids to support muscle protein synthesis. For example, aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein in each meal and snack. 4. Hydration is key. Protein isn't the only thing that's important for muscle recovery. Hydration is crucial too. Water helps digest and absorb protein, so make sure you're drinking enough throughout the day. 5. Sleep and rest matter. Lastly, muscle repair happens while you sleep. Make sure you're getting enough rest, as this allows your body to properly recover and build muscle. Without proper rest, you can't maximize the effects of the protein you're consuming. If you want to optimize your muscle growth, make sure you're not just lifting weights, but fueling your body with the right protein at the right times. Subscribe to the channel for more tips on building muscle and staying fit.